Welcome to this tutorial on downloading trip reports from Zeo. Trip reports are your go-to for reviewing delivery performance and keeping accurate records. In Zeo, you've got 3 ways to download them. I'll take you through each. First up, from the dashboard. Click the 3 dots and select Download. Select your preferred format. That's it. The report for that specific route will be sent straight to your registered email. It will look like this with all the information. It's perfect when you need details for just one trip, like a single driver's route for the day. The second method works from the Routes tab on your taskbar. Here too, just find the route, click the 3 dots, and hit Download. The process is the same as the dashboard, and it's equally quick. Great for when you're already looking at your route list and want that one report instantly. Now, if you need more than a single trip report, head to Settings, click on Reports, and choose your date from the calendar. You can pick a single day to see all routes run on that day. Or select a range for a weekly or monthly view. You can even filter by drivers if you only want reports for specific people. Once you click Generate Reports, Zeo prepares your bulk data and sends it right to your inbox. It will look like this, and you can even see individual driver reports. Bulk reports give you the bigger picture, showing every route within your chosen dates, with full stop details, completion rates, and performance metrics. Individual route reports focus on just that trip: the route name, driver, stops completed or skipped, travel time, and distance. And that's it. Use the first 2 methods when you just need one route's data, and the third when you want a complete summary for multiple days or drivers. Zeo makes it simple to get the right information at the right time, so you can manage your deliveries smarter. Happy routing with Zeo Route Planner. Route.